What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the language setting on Instagram. Changing the language on Instagram is simple, but the method depends on whether Instagram gives you a direct option or requires you to change your phone's language settings. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once inside, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines menu icon in the top right corner to access the settings. This will open the settings page directly. From here, scroll down and look at the Apps and Media section. Within this section, tap on Language. Instagram will now check whether your phone allows direct language changes within the app. If you see a list of available languages, simply select your preferred one, and Instagram will update the language accordingly. However, if Instagram does not provide an in-app language option, you will need to change your device's language settings. To do this, open your phone settings and search for language in a search bar. Alternatively, if you're on an iPhone, go to General and then scroll down and tap on Language and Region. From here, select Add Language. Find the one you want and set it as the primary language. This will change the language for your entire device, including Instagram. Once your phone's language is updated, open Instagram again and the app should now be displayed in the new language. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.